Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to slow and fast video in Davinci Resolve. So I'm just add slow motion and fast effect in this video and select area. At first I'm separate the clip. Okay. So I'm just separate two part. In the part I'm add slow motion. Click on to mouse left side. Press on change clip speed. Add slow motion, like change speed 100 to 50 and press on change, and speed up, and again change clip speed 100 to 150, press on change. So this part is slow motion and this part is speed up, like I'm checking. Follow my video, and this part is speed up. So that's it. That's how you can do it.